Ano? Breaks at millionaire natan.
Hello guys, nandito kami sa aming hotel sa Happy Green Life Hotel ba yun? Ano nga yung pangalan ng hotel? Happy Green Life Hotel. Pababa na kami sa bus guys. Nalilipatan namin. Ito kami mag-i-stay for tonight and tomorrow. And tomorrow night we'll be leaving. This is Happy Life Green Hotel. So, high rise. Oh my goodness.
Check for you.
Okay. Ay, may luggage.
I will check for you.
We are here at the hotel. The steps na lang ako para di ka masali. Iwas na lang ako ni banda. Hello, we are at the hotel. It's so nice. Dito na kami sa hotel guys. Ang galing ng hotel. Parang ito yung pinakamagandang hotel na mag-stay kami. Huwag natin tamaan ng iba. Baka mamaya dyan. Baka mamaya dyan na. Come here. Ma'am, Maricon. Oh. 9, ma'am. Satan. Yeah, that one. Thank you. So, nasa elevator kami guys para papuntang 9th floor. Sa room namin. Fifth floor pa lang. Ay, masakal. Ninth floor. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. 908. This is 905. So maybe 908 is here. Huh? 906. 907, 908. 908 tayo. This one. 908. And go, ma'am. This one. No. Iman. Where is the... Hey. Thank you so much. We just tap it and then everything's okay. We're looking for a hole in it. Thank you. I will enter first. This is video. So guys, this is our room, our hotel room in Happy Green Life Hotel. 2 bed again. Alright, well arranged. And this is the restroom. No bathtub at all. And this is overlooking the Vietnam, the city. Overlooking the city because we're at the 9th floor. Nasa 9th floor kami guys. Yan na yung bed namin ni Ma'am Maricon. So nice. Ma'am Maricon, say hi. Xin chào Vietnam. Hello Vietnam. Xin chào. Ciao. Please support my YouTube channel, guys. Watch my videos. Mamayang gabi, magtutour kami. Bukas pa naman ang tour with the bus. Kaya, mamayang gabi, kami lang magtutour sa sarili namin. Maglalakad kami, maghahanap kami ng kung anong maganda dito sa Vietnam. Because, after tomorrow, sasakay kami ng bus tomorrow, umaga pa hapon, then at night, we'll travel to the Vietnam airport. Kaya para pupunta kami umaga sa Don. Pupunta kami sa Pilipinas. So, uwi na kami. Thanks for watching, guys!